Yeah, guys, you're welcome back again in this video. This video is for people that are trading gift card, any form, any kind of gift card. This app is for you. And one thing that I want to show you right now is that when you first registered on this app, you are going to get 3,000 naira as a gift. They are going to give you 3,000 naira as a gift bonus. So if you're interested in trading your gift card, this app is good for you. It's very good for you, and immediately you can withdraw you can convert it to your Naira account. You can convert your money to their account. You can buy gift card or sell your gift card here on this app. For example, if I want to sell iTunes app iTunes Apple, just select it, select your country, input the balance, type of it, speed you want to use it for, and your code. Please enter the code, which is optional, or upload card image. That is all. Just click on sell. You can sell your gift card very easily on this app. So if you are interested to use this app, you can see there are a lot of gift card you can sell on this app. You can see there are a lot you can sell: Walmart gift card, Walmart money card, etc, Amazon, etc, dollar general gift card. So there are a lot of gift card you can sell on this app. There are a lot. So guys, if you're interested, check the description of this video to start selling your gift card. And when you first register, the first thing you need to do is to click here. Click on this hand sign, this reward hand sign right here. Click on it. Then you are going to see up to 3 options here. You are going to see up to 3 option here. You can see that is only 2 right now because I have already used the 3. They will tell you that you should click the last one here to get 3,000 naira. So all you need to do is to just verify your email address and your phone number. So that is all. You will get instant 3,000 naira as a bonus for using this app. You will get it as a bonus for using this app. So guys, that is it. You can also see they can also give you 1,000 naira coupon when selling a card to earn extra. So if you are interested, you can just click on use at once. Just use at once. So that is it. You can sell it like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested, just check the description of this video and you will see the registration link there, or just input this code there to get the 3,000 naira. Without it, you won't get the 3,000 naira. So input this code there to get the 3,000 naira bonus. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.